Welcome to our video on 15 steps to create a bird-friendly garden amid a changing climate. As climate change continues to affect wildlife habitats, it's more important than ever to cultivate environments that support our feathered friends. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies that not only beautify your garden but also create a safe haven for birds. Join us as we delve into essential tips that will transform your outdoor space into a thriving ecosystem. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, there's something here for everyone to help our avian companions flourish. 1. Plant native vegetation. Creating a bird-friendly garden starts with the foundation of native vegetation. Native plants are adapted to the local climate, making them more resilient to changes in weather patterns. These plants offer a reliable source of food, shelter, and nesting spots for birds that have evolved alongside them. For instance, native wildflowers can attract insects which in turn become a food source for birds. Moreover, these plants typically require less water and fewer resources, making them an environmentally friendly choice. By incorporating native vegetation into your garden, you are not only supporting local bird species but also maintaining the ecological balance in your area. 2. Grow a diversity of plants. A diverse garden is a thriving garden. Including a mix of trees, shrubs, and flowering plants ensures that there's something for every bird species, regardless of the season. Trees provide shelter and nesting sites, while shrubs offer protection from predators. Flowering plants attract insects and produce seeds, both of which are essential food sources. Think of your garden as a buffet, with different offerings throughout the year to keep birds coming back. The more variety you have, the more likely you are to attract a wide range of bird species, each contributing to the ecological health of your garden. 3. Provide fresh water. Water is life, and for birds, it's no different. Setting up bird baths or small ponds in your garden provides birds with a place to drink and bathe. Clean, unfrozen water is essential, especially during extreme weather conditions when natural water sources may dry up or freeze. Regularly changing the water ensures it's fresh and prevents the spread of diseases. Consider adding a small fountain or dripper to keep the water moving, which can be more attractive to birds. Providing water not only supports the birds' hydration needs but also encourages them to visit your garden more frequently. 4. Create shaded areas. The increasing intensity of the sun due to climate change makes shaded areas a necessity for birds. Planting trees or installing shade structures can offer respite from the scorching heat. Birds, much like humans, need a break from the sun, especially during peak hours. Shade also helps to regulate the temperature of your garden, making it a more comfortable place for birds to inhabit. Additionally, shaded areas can prevent water sources from evaporating quickly, ensuring that birds have access to water throughout the day. By providing shade, you're creating a sanctuary that birds can rely on. 5. Use bird-friendly feeders. Bird-friendly feeders are a great way to supplement the natural food sources in your garden. High-quality seeds, nectar, and suet can attract a variety of bird species. Each type of food caters to different birds. Hummingbirds love nectar, while woodpeckers and nuthatches prefer suet. Ensure that feeders are easy to clean to prevent the spread of diseases, and place them in locations that are safe from predators. Remember to refill them regularly, especially during harsh weather conditions when natural food is scarce. By offering a consistent food source, you encourage birds to make your garden a regular stop. 6. Avoid pesticides and herbicides. The use of pesticides and herbicides can be detrimental to birds, poisoning their food sources and disrupting the natural food chain. Embrace organic gardening methods to keep your garden safe and sustainable. Natural predators like ladybugs can help control pests without harming the ecosystem. Companion planting is another technique that can deter pests naturally. By eliminating harmful chemicals, you're ensuring that your garden remains a safe haven for birds and other wildlife. Additionally, an organic garden supports a healthier environment overall, benefiting both your plants and visiting birds. 7. Leave some garden areas untamed. embrace a little chaos by leaving parts of your garden untamed. Tall grasses, leaf litter, and fallen branches create a natural environment where birds can forage for insects and seeds. These areas mimic the wild habitats that birds are accustomed to and offer essential resources they need to thrive. Untamed sections can also provide nesting materials and places for birds to hide from predators. Think of these areas as a cozy corner in your garden where birds can feel at home. Allowing a portion of your garden to grow wild not only benefits the birds but also reduces maintenance efforts on your part. 8. Install birdhouses and nesting boxes. Birdhouses and nesting boxes are vital for cavity nesting birds like bluebirds and chickadees. These structures provide safe spaces for birds to raise their young, away from the threat of predators. When installing birdhouses, consider the specific needs of the birds you wish to attract, such as entrance hole size and placement height. Ensure they're securely mounted to withstand weather conditions and are easy to clean after the breeding season. By providing a secure nesting spot, you're helping to support the next generation of birds and encouraging them to make your garden their home. 9. Plant berry and seed producing plants. Berry and seed producing plants are a natural food source that attracts birds year-round. Plants like sunflowers, coneflowers, and various berry bushes provide essential nutrients and energy, especially during migrations and winter when other food sources are scarce. These plants also contribute to the visual appeal of your garden with their vibrant colors and textures. By including a variety of these plants, you ensure that there is always something for birds to eat, making your garden a reliable resource for them. This not only supports the birds but enhances the biodiversity of your garden. 10. Reduce lawn space. Traditional lawns, while visually appealing, offer little in terms of habitat or food for birds. Reducing lawn space and replacing it with native plants, wildflowers, and shrubs can transform your garden into a vibrant ecosystem. This change not only benefits the birds but also reduces water consumption and the need for chemical fertilizers. A garden rich with diverse plant life provides cover, food, and nesting opportunities for birds. By rethinking the conventional lawn, you're creating a more sustainable environment that supports wildlife and reduces your ecological footprint. 11. Minimize artificial lighting. Artificial lighting can disrupt the natural behaviors of birds, particularly during migration. Excessive light pollution can cause disorientation, leading birds off course. Minimizing outdoor lighting or using motion sensors can significantly reduce this impact. Consider shielding lights to direct them downward and using warm-colored bulbs that are less disruptive to wildlife. By reducing light pollution, you're helping to create a safer environment for birds, allowing them to navigate and rest without interference. A dimly lit garden also enhances the natural beauty of the night sky, benefiting both birds and humans. 12. Add dead trees or logs. Dead trees or logs might seem unsightly, but they play a crucial role in a bird-friendly garden. These natural elements attract insects, which are a primary food source for many bird species. They also offer perching spots and shelter. Instead of removing deadwood, consider leaving some in your garden to enhance its ecological value. Over time, these natural structures can support a wide range of wildlife, creating a mini ecosystem within your garden. By embracing the natural life cycle of trees, you're contributing to the health and balance of your garden's ecosystem. 13. Ensure safe nesting sites. Protecting nesting sites from predators is essential for the survival of young birds. Strategically placing birdhouses away from potential threats, such as cats or squirrels, can make a significant difference. Encourage neighbors to keep their cats indoors, especially during breeding season when young birds are most vulnerable. Plant thorny or dense shrubs around nesting areas to deter predators. By taking these precautions, you're helping to ensure that birds can raise their young safely, contributing to the overall success of local bird populations. 14. Capture rainwater for irrigation. Water conservation is crucial in maintaining a garden amid a changing climate. Capturing rainwater using barrels can provide a sustainable source of irrigation, reducing reliance on municipal water. This practice is not only environmentally friendly but also ensures that your garden remains lush and bird-friendly even during dry seasons. Incorporate drought-resistant plants that require less water, further supporting a sustainable habitat. By utilizing rainwater, you're creating a self-sufficient garden that benefits both birds and the environment. 15. Participate in citizen science. Getting involved in citizen science projects can deepen your understanding of birds and their needs. Joining local birdwatching groups or conservation projects allows you to track bird populations and observe the impacts of climate change firsthand. By contributing to these efforts, you help gather valuable data that can inform conservation strategies. Citizen science also provides opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals and learn from experts. Your involvement not only supports birds but enriches your experience as a gardener and wildlife enthusiast.